Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist and I'm a lifestyle vlogger, and today I'm going to share with you my skincare routine. Let's do it! I've already washed my face with water and a washcloth, and now I'm going to exfoliate. This is a new exfoliation treatment I'm trying. It's olive oil and kosher salt. The olive oil is going to moisturize my skin while the kosher salt is going to get rid of the dead skin cells on my face. So I'm going to begin putting that on. I don't want to use it right under my eyes because that area is super thin skin and I don't need help with wrinkles. The purpose of olive oil, according to an article that I read by Medical News Today, written by Jane Leonard, says olive oil acts as an antioxidant. When applied to the skin, it may prevent premature aging. Hey, I need that. It's also, olive oil has vitamin content. It has the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. And some of these vitamins are known to be good for your skin. Olive oil also has antibacterial properties. Olive oil is a natural moisturizer. I am moisturizing and getting rid of dead skin cells all at the same time. You want to take care of your neck as well as your face, not just your face, because that's very important too. Now I'm going to take a wet washcloth and wipe this off. Do a little water on my face. Wow, my skin feels amazing. If you take care of your skin, it will take care of you. If you're following me on Instagram, you know that I went to the dermatologist recently and I had a couple places on my face I was concerned about. And since my father, my sister, and my grandmother has had skin cancer on their face, I thought I better not play around with this. Fortunately, it is not an issue. Thank you, Jesus. My skin is good. It's just some natural age processing stuff. I'm gonna put a little Melaleuca on the couple of places that I'm concerned about. Now I know it's not cancer, but I don't like spots on my face if I can help it. I'm going to moisturize. At nighttime, I use my own DIY face cream a lot of the time, but in the daytime, I use my Confidence in a Cream by IT. And no, this is not a sponsored video, but I like to share when I have a good product, I like to share about it. Again, you want to take care of your neck and throat. You're gonna love this olive oil and kosher salt mixture. Oh, my face feels so incredible. Now I'm gonna put on some IT eye cream. Always use your ring finger. You don't want to tug hard on that delicate eye area. I'll go ahead and put on my foundation. I think I've already told you about this concealer. This is Wet n Wild concealer. It's inexpensive, but wow, it works really good. Let's put it in those red areas. Blend away. And I love my IT Foundation, which by the way has 50 SPF in it. And that was one of the things my dermatologist said to me is make sure you use 50 SPF and gotta take care of that skin. And she said if you're gonna be outside every 2 hours, you need to reapply your skin. No, not your skin. You need to reapply your sunscreen. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. God bless. Bye.